Okay. So actually, I wanted to create this video talking about something that has been bothering me a lot recently, which is how sometimes it gets difficult to actually accept the trade-off that for the goals जो हम शायद मांग रहे हैं यूनिवर्स से. Just to give an example, and that's what I have written over here, and I will be quickly taking you to the whiteboard and explaining you what do I actually mean by that. But there is a difference on where are we right now and where we want to go, right? And sometimes we are not ready to accept what it demands, but we still want that dream, right? So instead of confusing you more, let me go back to the whiteboard, and I think that would make more sense to you. Yeah, okay. So let's for example, let's say, right, that usually when I what are the जिनके साथ मैं अभी usually interact करता हूँ, the people that I interact to usually say that I want to make to at least, let's say, 10 lakhs per month. Okay, that's the goal everybody have around me. So if that's the goal, right, and on an average if I'm considering, right, let's say that they are doing around annual recurring revenue, which is अगर हम salary perspective से भी देखें तो 40,000 के आसपास वो कर रहे हैं, which is like around 5 lakhs a year. Okay, एंड उनका मंथली इनकम जो है वो 40,000 है इन कंसिडरिंग इन टर्म ऑफ अ जॉब. ओके, करंट सिचुएशन क्या है कि अगर अभी जिस पे से हम जा रहे हैं, जिस पर्सन से अगर कोई 40,000 पर मंथ का पर्सन जा रहा है, तो वो 2 साल में 10 lakhs कमाएगा, राइट? 5 lakhs प्लस 5 lakhs फॉर 2 years, अल्टीमेटली 10 lakhs आपका हो जाएगा. एंड अगर हम गोल क्या है हमारा 10 lakhs इन अ मंथ, विच मीन्स what are the ट्रेड ऑफ दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ओवर हियर इज कि हम बोल रहे हैं कि हमें 2 साल को कंप्रेस करना है 1 महीने में. एंड लेट दैट सिट फॉर अ सेकेंड. वी वांट टू कंप्रेस आवर 2 years ऑफ अ टाइम इन जस्ट 1 month. एंड जब हम एंड एंड दिस इज that's the crazy part, right? That we have to understand कि हम जो 2 साल में करेंगे in terms of activity, in terms of revenue generation, in terms of stuff, the task, work, everything, right? What we are asking is हम कि 2 साल के काम को हम compress करके 1 महीने में करना चाहते हैं. This is the thing that we are actually asking the universe for. And how this actually resonate in realistic life is that you have to stay alone most of the time, like I am currently sitting in the office, nobody is there, so you have to sit alone most of the time. You have to start like cutting down people, cutting down activities which is like degrading you, or या फिर आपको अपने जो goal है उससे दूर लेके जा रही है. At the same time you have to work so much on your skill. You have to be relentless, 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day, जो भी like suits your industry, based according to your industry आप वो चीज़ कर सकते हो. So that's what we are actually asking for. और जब वो लाइफ देती है तो what we do, we tell that यार ये तो बहुत बोरिंग हो रहा है, मैं क्या अभी आउटिंग पे नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं एंजॉय नहीं करूँगा अपनी लाइफ, मतलब इतना पैसे कमा के क्या फ़ायदा जब ये सारा मैं एंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहा. ऑल ऑफ दिस रैंडम थॉट कम्स इनटू पिक्चर, बट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दैट्स व्हाट वी आर आस्किंग फॉर. हम चाह रहे हैं कि हम 2 साल को कंप्रेस करके 1 महीने में कर दें वो कंप्रेस. And that's the thing I think bothers a lot of people. It has been bothering me a lot, and I asked for these goals कि अच्छा हाँ आपको at least let's say अगर 10 lakhs per month करना है, तो this has been I would say a huge unlock for myself as well as like the people that I'm talking to. I think this give you a realistic view of what you are actually asking for. This is the price of that. And ultimately ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपने इतने सारे मेहनत कर लिया है, just to be clear, it's not like you कल से मतलब 1 महीने में रिजल्ट आ ही जाएगा. You have to still develop the skills, like we have to still cross that 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, then 10 lakhs come into picture, and you cannot be inconsistent in the whole journey for more than like few days or stuff. Or obviously life happens here and there, but you have to stay consistent also to get to that benchmark that you're looking or the goal that you are looking at. And that's the trade-off that we have to understand. That's what we are asking for. So here's my question to you: do you really want that goal? And that's the question to myself as well, okay, by the way. So do we actually want that goal? And if yes, this is the trade-off we are asking for. So if you're comfortable, if you're thinking that okay, let me go and do it, it's your choice. So let me know what do you think about this, whether this was helpful for in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye, take care.